Imagine, if you will, a world that once orbited the sun alongside our own, but no longer exists. Picture this: a celestial body, a sibling planet to Earth, sharing our solar system, our cosmic neighborhood, our lost sibling, if you will. Now, this isn't the stuff of science fiction or an elaborate April Fool's joke. It's a theory held by some of the brightest minds in the scientific community. They propose that there was once another planet in our solar system, a sibling to Earth, that met a cataclysmic end. Think about that for a moment. A whole world with its own unique landscapes and possibly its own life forms, reduced to cosmic dust in a blink of the universal eye. It's not a comforting thought, but it's a theory that holds weight. But what could have caused such a catastrophic event to obliterate an entire planet? Let's delve deeper into this cosmic mystery. The answer lies in a cosmic dance of destruction. Imagine, if you will, a dance of celestial bodies, a ballet of gravity and motion where Earth and its sibling planet are the lead performers. This dance, however, is not one of grace and elegance, but rather a cataclysmic tango that ends in a fiery crescendo. Picture two celestial bodies, each with their own gravitational pull, spiraling towards each other in a cosmic waltz. The sheer scale of these two planets colliding would be enough to shatter one of them. The energy released would be beyond fathomable. The impact would be so forceful, so cataclysmic, that it could tear a planet asunder. Now, you may ask, where is the evidence for such a colossal event? The clues, my friends, are scattered across our solar system. The asteroid belt, for instance, is a veritable cosmic graveyard, a ring of celestial debris that tells the tale of a planet that once was. These fragments, these remnants of a lost world, are a testament to the destructive power of a planetary collision. But the evidence doesn't stop there. Right here on Earth, we find traces of our sibling planet. Certain elements, isotopes that don't belong, are scattered across our world. These alien elements, these cosmic breadcrumbs, tell a tale of a world that was consumed, a world that was lost in the fiery dance of celestial bodies. The story of Earth's sibling is a tale of cosmic destruction, a saga of a world lost to the annals of the universe. It's a reminder of the destructive power of nature, of the raw, unbridled force that shapes our cosmos. Yet the story doesn't end with the destruction. It's only the beginning. The destruction of Earth's sibling was not an end, but a new beginning. From the ashes of the old, new life sprang forth, new worlds were born. And so the dance continues. The cosmic ballet goes on, a never-ending waltz of creation and destruction. From the ashes of destruction, a haunting reminder of our lost sibling was born. Born out of the catastrophic collision was our moon, a celestial object that we've come to know as a comforting constant in our night sky. But what if I told you that this seemingly benign satellite might be the very debris of our Earth's obliterated sibling? Here's a theory that might rattle your cosmic perspective a bit. Some scientists propose that the moon was created from the remnants of the destroyed sibling planet. This theory, known as the giant impact hypothesis, helps explain some of the moon's unique characteristics. For instance, its composition closely resembles that of the Earth's mantle, suggesting a common origin. Furthermore, the moon's size relative to Earth is unusually large compared to other planet-moon systems in our solar system. So, every time we gaze upon the moon, we might be looking at the remains of Earth's lost sibling. The destruction of Earth's sibling planet opens up a universe of possibilities. Picture this: the catastrophic event that wiped out our celestial twin might have been the very catalyst that sparked life on Earth. Imagine the fragments of the destroyed sibling filled with essential elements raining down on our planet. These elements, potentially alien to the barren Earth, could have been the building blocks for the first life forms. This theory, if proven, transforms our understanding of Earth's origins and its place in the cosmos. No longer are we just a lonely rock orbiting the sun, but a product of interplanetary destruction and creation. We're a testament to the universe's capacity for change, its ability to turn devastation into life. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember the lost sibling of Earth, a testament to the power and mystery of the cosmos.